Beat it! Beat it!
Completely unprofessional.
This is day 43 of the trip and we are saying goodbye to Italy and I will not miss it. It's expensive, it's not that much fun, not that much life anymore. Most of the things worth seeing are from 5 centuries ago or 20 centuries ago or 15 centuries ago, so nah, I don't like Italy that much.
Me neither.
So we're glad we're going to Austrian Alps. Actually, we're going to Slovenia for a brief moment and then we're going to Austria because Slovenia is cheaper to sleep in. And we're going to cross the Alps. So this is the most challenging part probably of the trip. For the bikes, we got new oil. We've got them cleaned. Lubricated and we're ready to go, I guess.
Look at the weather changed.
Alright, the weather changed, there are clouds now, it rains a little bit and it's much colder, which is actually good news. Yeah. If it doesn't rain, it's going to be very, very nice. Yep, maybe. Here we are in Slovenia. We don't know what language they speak here, but it sounds like probably something like Polish, Czech or something. We just had a nice lunch in Slovenia and I have to say it was better than everything I ate in Italy. We should put our logo on here, but we don't have a logo.
Yeah.
They are real bikes.
Here they are.
Dominica really wanted sheep.
Wow.
Grab one.
Wow.
Oh, it's alive.
You're super cute. They don't want to speak to me. Why they don't want to talk to me?
Dominica's talking to a sheep.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You're cute. You like it here? She likes it here. But her sister was lost yesterday. But she and her family found her. So.
How do you know it's she?
Okay. Well, she told me it's Beatrice.
She's kind of dirty. Is she dirty?
Yeah, well, whatever.
Can you see a rainbow over there? I can see a rainbow. We woke up, day 44. The sheep are coming. Dominica is responsible for a climate change, I discovered.
What do you mean?
She's got a jacket with a climate control system. The sheep are getting closer. This is the miracle we need. The motorcycle has problem with starting, so let's see if it works after the night. Try it. Let go, let go. Wait a moment. Try again. Yep. Rev it a bit. Okay, now enough. Did you get scared?
A little bit. Austria. We just crossed the border and we finally found a petrol station that was open and we're going to eat some breakfast.
Look, they have really nice place to sit with flowers and mountain view. Wow. We replaced the battery, it worked, but this motorcycle is the worst motorcycle in the world when it comes to replacing battery. The battery is there in front, not like under the seat. There's nothing under the seat, it's in the front. So Yamaha CB125R has battery in the front, and you need to pull this tank up. So you need basically 2 people to replace the battery and replace this plastic that Dominika holds right now, and she's going to put it back, hopefully somehow.
Why did you even take it off?
Yeah, it was not easy. Well, let me try.
I don't want to break it.
Good. How do you like Austria and Austrian shops?
Well, I like Austria a lot so far. Austrian shops, they're okay.
Why?
Okay, because I don't feel like I found everything that I wanted. Like, I preferred French shops.
Oh yeah, France.
But it's alright. It wasn't super.
Now we'll be comparing everything to France.
Exactly. But I love the people here. They're super nice and they want to talk to you. And
How many people have you seen wearing a mask?
none,
Not
not
one.
even one.
How many people in a shop?
None.
None.
Nobody.
How many people in Italy in a shop with a mask?
Many.
All the workers in a shop wear a mask,
Yeah, and
half the people who visit them. Okay, so I don't get it, because it's just beyond those mountains right there. There's Italy, and there half of the people wear a mask and nobody wears a mask here. So Austrians should be dead by now, or I don't know. But well, they are not. So
Yeah.
if you need to prove the masks do nothing, zip, null, there you go.
People are like that. Ah, don't talk about it. Don't talk about it.
Well, too bad. I will.
We bought something. We don't know what it is. The guy said it has got no alcohol in it, and she said it's good.
Ooh,
Some local drink.
yeah.
I don't know.
We arrived and finally we can rest. We are going to stay here 2 days, and it's lovely. Isn't it lovely?
It's beautiful. Look at the view.
Mountains are everywhere. And inside, and there are flowers.
And we have absolutely nothing to do. Absolutely nothing. We can do whatever we want to. Yesterday, the whole day. Yesterday,
There's a
tomorrow.
bunk bed, and there's a little bag. There is some bureaucracy, so we don't get bored. We need to feel something. Reminds me of war for some reason. Maybe it's because it's in German. And it's very nice and lovely, and I'm going to rest and do nothing. Goodbye. Day 46.
We are in Austria.
we're going to cook some noodles. What is it? Mischelnudeln mit freundliches Gemüse. I don't know. And we're going to eat this crap because all the shops are closed. And by the way, this is our last night in Alps. It's about 600 meters above sea level. It's high, but not very high, but high enough. And it's cold. It's what date is it? It's the last day of July, I think. And look at this, we have all this room, we have as much space as we want. Dominika wants to say something.
I want to say that I was kind of depressed today for the third time in our trip. The first time I was depressed was because when we just left England I started to miss my friends from work, and I thought I felt lonely and I felt like I'm not gonna see them and I'm not gonna see my people, and that was the first time. The second time I don't remember why, but I know I felt kind of sad, and the third time was today, and the third time was because it's freaking cold comparing to what we experienced in last month.
Yeah, last month we were south.
And
south
since
Europe.
yesterday there are only clouds, there's almost no sun. And when you've been so long seeing the sun every single day and blue sky, and then suddenly there are clouds, you don't feel good.
You do feel good when you look at the beauty of this thing around, but you need to get used to. And what helped Dominika was food.
Lots of chocolate and sweetness.
So yeah.
We have to get used to it again.
We're going to miss the view, but we're not going to miss the cold.
Completely unprofessional.